Hello amazing people, thanks for tuning into my channel. This is your host Mahathi. Welcome back to episode 9 of Maintenance Monday with Mahathi. In my previous video, you have seen what are the things to be carried on a ride outdoors. So the things which I've shown you in my previous video were the very basic things which are really necessary on every ride outdoors. So in this video, I'll be showing what are the things to be carried out on a ride for your safety. So the first and very important thing you need to carry on each and every ride is a helmet. You need to wear a helmet wherever you go on a bicycle. Especially on a bicycle, people usually think that wearing a helmet on a bicycle makes them look like a clown. But then trust me, helmet is only for your safety, not to show it to the society. And also people think that, oh, it's okay, I'm just going for a 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer ride. I'll just go and come back. But then unfortunate events do not call you before happening. Okay, for instance, let's leave apart falling due to high speeds. Usually the average speed of every rider would be 20 to 25, I guess. Even if you are at a speed of 15 to 20, even then the helmet is important, because usually there are only few people who respect cyclists and they maintain a distance while they are on a motorcycle or a car. But there are many people who don't even care that a cyclist is passing by. They'll be just on their speed. Okay, I'll tell you a situation which happened to me. This thing happened just 2 to 3 weeks ago. I was in a very low pace. There was full of traffic. I think I was at 17 speed, I guess, and suddenly there was a big truck which just passed by my side. I had a bag on my back and I couldn't just control the handle, and I just fell on the side. And luckily I fell on the left side, not on the right. If I had fell on the right side, then that was the end. So it's really important you need to wear a helmet on each and every ride without fail. And there are few people who think that investing on a helmet is wastage of money. It's better to invest on a helmet rather risking your life. The second thing you need to take on a ride is goggles. If not the sunglasses, you can just take transparent glasses which you can find easily in Decathlon sports store. Whenever I go for a ride in the morning, I usually carry the sunglasses, and at night I have the transparent glasses for a clear vision. And it's also important that if something falls in your eye and then you will be not able to control your bike, and it's better not to have a fall. So better you always carry a transparent glass of this sort and you can ride happily. The next ride essentials are the front and rear lights. It's important that the person coming from the front, like the motorcyclist and the person who are traveling in the car, has to have a look at you. So that is why rear and front lights are important. And also, if you are riding at night, don't forget to carry front light for your visibility, and also carry a rear light so that other people who are coming from behind you have a clear visibility of yours. The next thing you need to carry on a ride is some liquid cash. If you're riding in India, don't forget to carry at least 20 rupee note or carry a 50 rupee note. And for Aussies, carry a $10 or a $20. So why is it important to carry liquid cash on your ride is, if you are in some remote area and there is a small shop there and you suddenly had a bonk and you want to buy a fruit or some coffee and they don't have a swiping machine. So it's better you always carry some liquid cash with you for your safety. The next thing you need to carry on a ride is a polythene cover or a plastic cover, because if it rains outside, you can just put in the mobile phone and the liquid cash in the cover and then you can ride happily. Next important thing you need to carry on a ride is a reflective vest. If you're riding at night, it's really important you have a reflective vest. You should be visible to others who are riding a motorcycle or people who are traveling in a car. I usually wear this jacket from Decathlon which has reflective straps, and also the color is such that it shines at night, so I'm easily visible to others. So always carry a reflective vest with you if you are riding at nights. The next thing you can carry on a ride as of now, because it's a COVID situation, are a pocket sanitizer like this, and also try carrying mask. Try to avoid this sort of mask. This is a surgical mask, and this is really suffocating when you ride, because when you ride, after some time your body usually gets heated up and these masks make you feel really suffocated. So better not to use this kind of mask. I usually wear a head wrap which usually covers my ears as well as my nose, and whenever I feel suffocated, I just lower the mask my nose. So it's better you wear, or at least keep with you, a mask which is of cloth and not the surgical one. And don't forget to carry a sanitizer wherever you go. The final thing you need to carry on a ride is a small first aid kit. I don't have a first aid kit, so I can't show you right now, but you can see in the picture over here, this is specially designed for cyclists. This is a mini first aid kit which you can easily put in behind your saddle or at the handlebar. So try to carry a first aid kit of this sort. So these are the things you need to carry on a ride outdoors, and that's all for the day. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. If you have any maintenance related queries or suggestions, you can comment down in the comment section below using a hashtag maintenance Monday with Mahathi. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जहाँ भी रहो मुस्कुराते रहो. Goodbye, take care.